I found a free and a legit app where you can make money online. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be also giving you another free and legit app where you can also make money online. So make sure you watch this video till Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. On this channel, I show you different ways you can make money online. If this is what you're looking for, do well to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so that you can always get notified anytime I post a video. So I found this app where you can make money by completing simple tasks. Simple tasks, okay? It is free, it is legit, you don't need to pay any money to register, okay? All you have to do is just go ahead and download the app and then start performing the simple tasks in this app, okay? But I'm going to be telling you it's not going to make you rich, okay? But you are going to get something out of the app, okay? So all this platform, it will make you rich, okay? So disclaimer, is not going to make you rich, but you are going to get small things from this app that will actually keep you going every day, okay? So with all this being said, let me get into the app, okay? So you're going to be going over to your app store and download this app called Rwanzi, okay? So I'm also going to be leaving my referral code here. You can also go ahead and use my referral code to register, okay? Once you use my referral code, I'm going to be getting small thing from it, okay? But you can still go ahead and download it without using my referral code. But you also can as well do that way for me bringing this information to you, okay? You can also do me that favor of using my referral code to register, okay? So once you register on this app, what are you going to be doing? You're going to be posting pictures, okay? You post pictures of your daily used things to use every day. You post the pictures, okay? So like I was asked to post a picture of a fridge, okay? If you have a fridge in your house that you stock up things inside, you cannot just take a picture of the fridge and post, okay? And you're going to get rewarded. You can also there was a time they asked me to post my pantry, okay? That's your pantry where you store your food items, okay? Just take a picture of it, post, and you're going to get paid, okay? You can also be asked to go to take a picture of a supermarket. If you have any supermarket close to you, just walk outside and snap the place and you're also going to get paid, okay? You can also be asked to take a picture of your soap, detergent you use, drinks, wines, different things, okay? You can actually be asked to take a picture of all those different things, okay? Just go ahead and keep snapping pictures. If you go to buy things in the market, just go ahead and snap the picture of the things you bought. If you go to the market, anytime you have opportunity to go outside and shop, make sure you take pictures, okay? Snap things, because you don't know the one they are going to ask you to submit, okay? So go ahead and take plenty pictures, okay? So that once you enter the app, anyone they ask you to submit, you can go ahead and submit the picture, and once you submit it and the picture is approved, you are going to be getting paid. Make sure you take clear pictures, okay? In the app, you are going to see a direction of how to snap the pictures, okay? They have video directions that will actually help you, okay? Video guides that will help you in submitting your tax, okay? So make sure you always watch that video guide so that your tax will not be rejected, okay? Once you watch the video direction on how to complete the task, go ahead, snap the pictures and post and complete your task. You are going to be getting paid, okay? So once you have hit up to $2, from $2 you can actually withdraw your money straight to your bank account. This one you don't need a PayPal, you don't need Payoneer, you don't need others. You can actually withdraw your money straight to your bank account, okay? So this is actually what you do on this app Rwanzi. Go ahead, go over to your app store, download it, use my referral link, and then register, verify your account, make sure you verify your account, and then start turn on your location, because they also work with location. Once the location is on, they will know the kind of things you have in your area, and they'll ask you to snap it, so that they will not ask you to snap something that is not in your area, okay? So once your location is on, they will know the kind of things you have in your area, and they will ask you to snap it, and once you snap and post, you are going to be getting paid for that, okay? So the bonus of today is the name of the app is Primise, okay? You are going to head over to your app store also and download Primise, okay? Or you can use the link I have in my description. Download Primise, register, verify your account, and then start performing the tasks. They have various tasks for you to perform there. You can go ahead, watch the instruction on how to perform the tasks. Okay, so once you watch the instruction, make sure you always take a clear pictures. Okay, and this app you also take pictures to post there. Okay, they can ask you to go outside and snap anything. Okay, anything in your compound, anything in your location, they can ask you to snap it. Always make sure you leave your location on so that they can work with your location. Okay, so once they ask you to snap anything, go ahead and snap that stuff. Okay, and snap it, come over to the app, watch how you can upload it so that your upload will not be rejected. Okay, so once you upload it and they approve it, you're getting paid. Okay, so on this second app premise, you can actually cash out your money. Once you have up to 1.8, you can cash it out as a mobile top up. Okay, you can use that is as an airtime. Okay, you can cash it out as a mobile top up, or you can cash it out using any of your crypto wallets. You can also cash it out from there. Okay, so these two apps, they are free, they are legit. Just go ahead, download it and start making those coins for yourself. Okay, that can actually help you and keep you as you also look forward on making huge amounts of money online. Okay, so whenever I'm researching an app, I always like to see the ratings people are giving that app so that I know what I'm talking about. So when I went to my app store to view the ratings of this app, this one says since I discovered it back in 2020, so that you can say that this is not a new app. Okay, this person says since I discovered it back in 2020, I will categorically say it has been an amazing experience. Okay, so that's what this person said. Okay, and this person said this is the only one survey app that really pays you, the app that I can never uninstall. Okay, and this other person said probably the best tax to pay out there, easy to navigate, brilliant interface, considerable fare, and all that. Okay, so before you download any app, please, I will always advise you to do your own research. Okay, I have done my own research and I brought this app to you. Okay, so I will also want you also to do your own research so that you not only depend on what people tell you, or on the research I have done and I'm telling you. Okay, so always make sure you carry out your own research so that when you have any problem, you can always return to the research that you have done. Okay, I always say this in my description. I always tell you, make sure you carry out your own research before you invest in any app. But all the same, this app, you're not going to be investing on this one. It is absolutely free for you to use. Okay, it's absolutely free, no investments is required. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you found value on this video, make sure you leave a comment for me. Okay, I'm looking at my comments, and one day I'm going to reward all those that comment on my videos. Okay, so go ahead and drop a comment for me. Okay, and then make sure you like the video, share to your friends that also would want to also use these particular apps and start making money for themselves. Remember, when you when you refer your friends to join the app, you are also going to be getting paid for referring your friends. Okay, so go ahead and share to your friends to watch and also make money for themselves. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so they can always get notified anytime I post a video. Thank you.